Hey guys, this is Amour back with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you all about brushed crochet. Brush, 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 brush. For brushed crochet, the whole technique is that you use your brush to agitate your furs so that the fibers sort of release and it becomes fuzzy. So the best yarn that works for this sort of technique is actually natural fiber yarn. So that means wool, alpaca, sometimes bamboo can work too. But yeah, all the fuzzy animals, if you think about it, should work great. So for today's purpose, actually, the yarn that I'm using is actually a blend. So it's only 50% wool and 50% acrylic, but that wool is enough to make it quite fuzzy, as you can see from this example right here. So if you use 100% natural fiber, it should get even more fluffier, and you should have an even more soft and furry creature. So what kind of brush do you use? Okay, this is how it should look like. It's just a pet slicker brush. So if you go into any pet store or any pet section, you should be able to find this brush there, and make sure it has these bristles that are sharp and sort of pointy at the end. So this will help to sort of agitate your fibers to give it that nice halo. So now we're ready to brush out the head of our amigurumi. So we're just gonna get our pet slicker. And the thing with brush crochet is you have to brush it very vigorously, so don't be afraid, just like go pretty hard at it, and what you want to do is just really brush it quite vigorously. So if you look at it, you can see it's slowly starting to have some here. You can see the fibers slowly coming out, but it's still a long way to go, so just keep brushing when in doubt. Yeah, I like to kind of rotate it as I go, so I do one side here. Okay, and then sometimes you'll get some yarn, so be careful though, and I just like to just pull it out. You can see it's getting a lot more fuzzier here, but we can still see some of our stitches here, so we'll want to keep on brushing. Okay, just keep brushing. Here's some of my crochet save. If I'm not happy, I can always brush it out more. Okay, and with brush crochet, what you can actually do is you can also sort of sculpt the fur into where you want it to go. Okay, so here's my ball all brushed out, and it's beginning to look a lot like this style right here. So that's how you do brush crochet. It's quite the workout, but at the end you get a very cool effect and fuzzy texture. So I suggest trying it out one time and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share your projects with me on Instagram, Facebook. You can find all my patterns on my website. I'll catch you next video.